Hello everyone, today I will show you how to reset SkyBell Doorbell. First, make sure the doorbell is powered on. You need to press and hold the SkyBell button on the face of the device. If you want the soft reset, hold the button until the LED flashes green rapidly, then red or green, then blue. When the blue light starts flashing, let go. After you release, the device will reboot and come back on. On SkyBell HD, you'll see a solid yellow light during startup. If instead you want to do a hard factory reset, press and hold the same button for longer. Keep holding it through the green rapid blink, the red or green flash, the blue blink, and until the LED starts blinking yellow. When the yellow flashing begins, release the button. After that, the doorbell will reboot and go into AP sync mode, indicated by alternating red and green flashing lights. Once in AP mode, you will need to set up your doorbell again. Open your SkyBell or Alarm.com based app, choose Add Device, and follow the prompts. In the app, when prompted, connect your phone's Wi-Fi to the temporary SkyBell network. After that, complete the setup, enter your home Wi-Fi password, and finish syncing. Thank you for watching.